Thanks for stopping by to check out National Gear Repair, America's #1 industrial machinery repair center. At National Gear Repair, we specialize in the comprehensive repair and remanufacturing of all makes and models of gearboxes, pumps, and more. And our mechanics are hand-picked, fully trained graduates of the Falk School and are certified through Timken Bearing. Whether you need emergency rush repair service, plant shutdown service, or regular non-expedited repair work, we'll get you back up and running without breaking the bank. At National Gear Repair, we save our customers up to 60% compared to buying a brand new gearbox. And we repair and remanufacture your equipment up to OEM specifications or like new. And sometimes we're a whole lot better. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. Once we receive your equipment, we begin our inspection process by cleaning and testing the equipment to find the issue, and then we'll send a quote. If you don't like our quote, we can put the equipment back together exactly as we received it and ship it back for free. We also offer a 24-month warranty on all repairs, which starts on the date of installation. If your equipment sits for a few months after we deliver it, the warranty starts the date it goes into production. At National Gear Repair, we keep critical spare parts in stock to increase efficiency and shorten turnaround time. We can also manufacture all gearing needed with the ability to manufacture gears up to 20 feet in diameter. National Gear Repair has serviced thousands of gearboxes for hundreds of companies ranging from Fortune 500 companies to industrial sectors such as oil refineries, power plants, steel mills, pipelines, wastewater treatment, plastics, mining, chemicals, wind power, and so much more. We invite you to come and visit National Gear Repair to see the entire repair process in action, from inspection, cleaning, diagnosis, metallurgy, reconstruction, testing, and shipping through our very own fleet of trucks.
I am Tony Clark. I am the current owner and CEO of National Gear Repair, third generation I might add. My late grandfather John Clark started this corporation in Pennsylvania in the early 60s, specializing in gearbox repair and pump repair for the steel mill industry. We then since migrated to the great state of California. Nevertheless, we still service the entire nation, offering free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. We are a comprehensive remanufacturing machine shop, specializing on doing industrial gearbox and industrial pump repair. We don't just change out seals and bearings here. We have the capability to manufacture new necessary inner components within 24 to 48 hours from arrival at our facility, manufacturing all types of gearing such as spiral bevel, helical, herringbone, split herringbone, and so forth. National Gear Repair only hires experts that have trained expertise going through Falk School, Dodge School Renew, Timken Bearing Certified, Philadelphia, Flender, and SPX, which is Marley, which is now SPX. And all of our bearing preloads and bearing floats are set to the standard OEM specifications, which is recommended from the OEMs. National Gear Repair warranties all its work for 24 months from the date of installation, which means if we happen to do a gearbox or a pump for you, your warranty will not start until you actually drop it into production. And again, please feel free, ask any questions, please contact us, and we're here for your emergency gearbox repair needs. Thank you.
So let's get back to work. At National Gear Repair, we have your back.